Hi guys, welcome to Smart Invention TV. In today's video, we have combined the coolest essential garden tools and incredible gardening inventions that will take your garden to next level and make your life easier than before. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. And make sure you like this video. Without wasting your time, let's get started.
Billy Goat is pleased to broaden its blower portfolio with the introduction of the Hurricane line of zero-turn stand-on blowers. With the addition of this new flagship line, Billy Goat now offers the broadest, most productive line of blowers on the market, from 6 to 35 gross horsepower. When productivity counts for landscapers, seal coaters, schools, parks departments, sports fields, golf courses, campuses, resorts, cemeteries, and estate properties, Billy Goat's Hurricane blowers deliver the power, speed, durability, and ease of operation that your job and customers demand. In particular, the combination of fatigue-free operation, zero-turn maneuverability, high ground speed, and tri-directional air output accelerates the task so much that more jobs can be completed faster and with less people for the ultimate in cleanup productivity. The Billy Goat Hurricane features a patented quad control handle system, which integrates a self-activating parking brake and operator presence with common zero-turn controls. When the controls are in the outward position, the brake automatically locks so that an operator can park the unit and dismount even on a hill without stalling the machine or having to pull a parking brake like on other units in the market. For smooth and multi-directional airflow, a joystick on the operator control allows the operator to control air discharge to the left, right, or forward direction. Switching from left to right discharge is efficient and ideal when turning around and continuing to blow in the same direction while driving forward. The forward discharge is perfect for clearing paths and driveways. When transporting or when discharge is not required, simply move the joystick to the Close All position and all 3 discharge ports will be closed. In addition, the left discharge features a patented split deflector that allows the operator to split the air into 2 columns of air by setting a pin that keeps the left half of the deflector pushing air in the down position, while the right column continues to discharge air in the up position. This combination helps direct air to both the heavier debris on the bottom of a pile while preventing blowback on the top of the pile, a combination that effectively and efficiently moves leaves forward. The left discharge also features a patented undercut that allows downward blowing when working on hill properties or berms. At 8,500 CFM and 165 mph air velocity, the Z3000 travels 11 miles per hour and can clear up to 1 acre of leaves in 15 minutes, which can significantly increase the amount of area and cleanups a crew can complete in a single day. For slightly smaller or more congested properties, the X3000 with 6,500 CFM and 165 mph air velocity will power through open areas at 9 miles per hour and quickly maneuver around tight spots with incredible ease and efficiently clean up an acre in as little as 20 minutes. Both models feature a torsion-mounted front axle assembly, operator thigh pad, and torsion-mounted operator platform for both smooth ride and operator comfort. Each unit also has LED lights for operation after daylight, which adds to the features that make this machine a landscaper favorite for fast cleanup in the short days of leaf season. There's simply no easier, faster, or more efficient way to blow through a leaf season for you and your team. The Billy Goat Hurricane Z3000 is powered by a 993cc Vanguard V-twin, and the X3000 is powered by a 627cc Vanguard V-twin engine. Both units have a 10-gallon capacity fuel tank for hours of cleanup time before refills. Lastly, integral front and rear tie-downs are available to help secure the unit when in transport. So double down on productivity and finish leaf season with time to spare with Hurricane blowers from Billy Goat.
Growing my own organic food and sharing it with my loved ones. For me, this is the essence of a good life. Yet for one of our most important vegetables, there is no satisfying solution for home production, and that is the potato. I love potatoes, and I want them to be fresh and organic, just like my other crops. But growing potatoes the traditional way requires a lot of work and loads of space. And with pest problems, harvesting can easily turn into a very disappointing experience. As professional designers of raised beds and smart gardening solutions, we thought it's really time to change the way we grow potatoes. So, we created Paul Potato, the ready-to-plant potato tower. Compared to traditional planting methods, it allows you to grow up to 10 times the amount of potatoes on the same space. This is the result of an intensive 2-year research in cooperation with leading gardeners and the University of Natural Resources in Vienna. Paul Potato is easy to set up and offers various ways to plant potatoes. The modular tower has a sophisticated water distribution system, a built-in vole protection, and a space-saving design that work together to maximize efficiency and yield. The handling of Paul Potato is really simple. You just fill the compartments with potting soil and put in the seedlings of your choice. After planting, all you have to do is water your potatoes once in a while and watch them grow. After 16 to 20 weeks, it's time to enjoy the pleasures of harvesting your very own potatoes. Paul Potato is designed to make it simple and easy for you to grow and consume organic potatoes right from your own backyard. Back us now, and we promise once you've tasted the incredible flavors of freshly harvested biological homegrown potatoes, you'll want to have them again and again. Till then, happy planting and bon appetit.
The Chapin 8620B 150-pound tow-behind spreader combines maximum capability with simple and easy control thanks to its auto-stop dual impeller. With a large 150-pound capacity hopper, heavy-duty steel frame and wide-tread 14-inch pneumatic tires, the 8620B is built to handle big jobs. The heavy-duty trailer hitch is compatible with most lawn tractors and may be used with ATVs and other utility vehicles as well. The large hopper makes filling a cinch, and the gate control provides 11 settings for easy and accurate application. But it's the 8620B's auto-stop dual impeller that really separates it from the competition. Other spreaders have you awkwardly managing product flow while you drive, fumbling for even stops and starts, wasting product and burning lawns. The 8620B auto-stop tow-behind spreader lets you set it and go. When you start moving, it starts spreading, and when you stop, it stops. Simply set your gate control and that's it. Spreading product has never been simpler or easier. Discover the auto-stop advantage. The 8620B 150-pound tow-behind spreader from Chapin.
You enjoy this video, don't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have picked for you to enjoy next. We love you.